In today's video, I'll show you how to get bold text on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Display and Brightness from the list. Within here, look for the bold text option, and you can simply turn on the toggle switch here to enable bold text. Feel free to also tap on the text size option to be able to increase or decrease this as well. That's how to get bold text on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.